Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to make a very easy chicken recipe with some tom yum paste. I'm using some store-bought tom yum paste for this. For this recipe I'm taking some shiitake mushrooms because of the earthiness and the meaty texture of this mushroom. But if you want to take any other kind of mushroom, you can do it. To begin with, I'm going to saute the shiitake mushrooms a little. It enhances the taste of this recipe immensely. I have heated 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and to this I am adding the mushrooms and saute the mushrooms, and after sauteing it for about 2 to 3 minutes, it has got a little color. To this I am adding some tom yum paste, about 4 tablespoons of it, and along with the tom yum paste I am adding some chicken, and this is 2 chicken breast pieces cut into cubes, and give it a good mix. This is a very quick and easy recipe, and once the mushrooms are sauteed, it has a different taste to it. And saute it along with the mushrooms for about a minute. After 2 minutes, this is done. To this I am adding coconut milk. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. The chicken is almost cooked now, so we don't have to cook it for a very long time, just another 2 to 3 minutes, and this is done. After 2 minutes, this is ready. Finally, I am adding a little basil leaf to it, about 3 to 4 basil leaves that I broke into pieces. And that's it. This is ready. I'm going to serve it. Tom yum chicken curry with sauteed mushrooms is ready. The meatiness from the shiitake mushrooms and the wonderful aroma and taste of tom yum paste makes this recipe very, very delicious. Believe me, you are going to love this recipe. Do try this very delicious but very easy chicken recipe with some shiitake mushrooms, and don't forget to let me know about it. We will meet next time. Till then, bye bye.